Hello everybody. I'm going to upload a video of my pop-on veneers, and I'm going to show you what I look like before. I need like a little bit of whitening done. Also missing two molars right next to each other right there, and a little bit of crowding right here. So my mouth is an absolute wreck. But I'm going to go ahead and put on my pop-ons. Here's the top one. Then we'll do the bottom one. I was initially on the fence about this, but as you can see, it's a drastic improvement. My crowding is, it covered up my crowding pretty good, and obviously they gave me 2 extra molars there to fill in the old spot. But yeah, overall, I was initially on the fence, but after going through just everyday life, and you can still eat with these and everything, you just got to be a little bit careful with the harder foods. Like, if you're eating like walnuts or peanuts, whatever, just try to avoid crunchy foods, but other stuff will be just fine. Yeah, I mean, you can see it's definitely an improvement. So get them. Have a good one. Bye-bye.